back to my channel. It's Madam AK. Yes, I have gone blonde for the summer. The name of the palette is such a gem, and it is the Morphe 39S. I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so there's 39 colors. There's mattes, there's glitter, there's shimmer, there's all types of different colors in here. And I use this palette to create this look that I have here. So stay tuned if you want to see how I achieve this look. So because I want the color to pop, I'm going to use this 430 Fenty Pro Concealer as my base. Okay, so first we're gonna take the color Very Good. This palette is huge, like I could put it on my shoulder. But this is Very Good, and this is gonna be my transition color. Ooh, wow, y'all, that is so pretty. Okay, so after I've taken that, y'all, this palette literally has to sit behind me because it's too big. The next color I'm gonna take is Wine Not. So that's this one right here. And I'm using the same blending brush to just kind of go right back over it. And this is gonna give it some depth. Dimension, actually. Make a little dog. Okay, next color is Plum Up, which is this color right here. And this I'm gonna put in my crease and then work my way in. So I'm gonna start at the edge and then go in. So edge, go in, edge, go in. So just kind of working back and forth like that. And now I'm actually using my Sephora tapered brush. And again, you guys, I am in no way, shape, or form an MUA. I just enjoy doing makeup. Alright, so now I'm gonna have to do a cut crease. Y'all, bear with me. I am not the best at doing cut creases, but I'm gonna try my best, okay? So I'm gonna take my Fenty 430 and I'm gonna take my Morphe M22 4 brush to cut my crease. Okay, so I fixed my cut crease and now I'm going to go in with the color you fancy. So that's kind of like this copper color. I'm gonna go in my Sephora number 12 brush. It's a all over shadow. And I'm gonna put that all on the cut crease, more so on, well, pretty much anywhere that you see concealer, so. I kind of want to use my finger. But I might have to use my finger. But do y'all see that color though? Okay, next I'm going to take, what's this color? Show Off. It's this pressed glitter right here, and I'm gonna have to use my finger because it's a pressed color and it's not gonna show up if you put it on the brush. I'm just gonna put that all on my eyelid. Y'all, this is so pretty. And I'm gonna go back in with my tapered crease, and I'm gonna mix the two a little bit of Why Not and Plums Up. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. Now I am going to go in and do my foundation. Can y'all guess which foundation I'm gonna be using? And no, it's not Too Faced, and it's not my OG foundation. It's actually my Fenty Beauty. I'm going back to Fenty. I mean, I don't even know why I left her in the first place. Fenty is amazing, but I am gonna still use this brush because I feel like I have to use less product when I use a brush compared to the sponge, and the sponge just be taking up too much of my product. Like I have to squirt it 3 times for me to use a full like 1 coverage of my face. So I'm just gonna, you know, use my brush. Maybe it's 2 squirts, I don't know. But honestly, wait. Before I start on my foundation, y'all should already know that I'm going to have to use some sort of concealer because right here creates a shadow mustache, and that's not cute. It is natural, but I don't want it to show. So I'm gonna just take 445 concealer, and I'm just gonna go bloop. Cause y'all, this thing is real. And I'm gonna take this brush. It's just the buffing brush by Real Technique, and I'm just gonna buff that in. See? Mustache be gone. Y'all, I was holding up the wrong brush and nobody said anything. I'm just using my NYX brush. Not that other brush. Okay, and now I am going to go in with my 445 again and my 430 concealer and do my under eye. But I kind of want this to be a natural beauty. So maybe I won't put 430, but I will put 445 and 440. That is bright, y'all. Bear with me. Bear with me. I'm gonna tone it down with some 445. All right, so I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend. Okay, and now I am going to just take some brown to contour my nose just a little bit, just a little bit, just a okay, just a little bit. You all, not too much, not too much. But before I even put anything, do y'all see how it already created a natural contour? So I'm just gonna, you see, just a little bit. And that's just for my nose. So now with my cheeks, I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty in the color Espresso. It's their matchstick. I'm just gonna go boom. You see, just a little bit. And on this side, same thing. Boom. And I'm gonna use a different brush from this one. This is just my nose contour brush. I'm gonna use my Pro Contour Sephora brush to even that out just a little bit. So, totally forgot to set my concealer. So I'm just gonna use my usual Laura Mercier translucent in medium deep. Now I did hear Patricia Bright say baking gives you wrinkles. I don't know if she was joking or if she was being serious, but I haven't seen any wrinkles, so I'm gonna keep baking. All right, so I am going to highlight with one of these colors. I think I'm gonna highlight with, I'm probably gonna highlight with Total Gold, which is this purple looking color. I'm gonna use my hand. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see the glow? And that's it. I just finished off with putting this Praline NYX Intensive Butter, and then I put this L'Oreal Lip Gloss right on top of it, and that's how I finished my look. What do you guys think? Well, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one. I mean, it might be right above here, so click on it. All right, bye.